Hello everyone, this is Amarpreet Singh's hands. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. So, for today, what I am going to tell you is about the soldering iron, a soldering thing. This is my lens. I have covered it with some forex sheet so that it cannot be so dirty, but still it is dirty. Never mind, please. This is my soldering machine. To every or each and every student, I recommend that you should have this soldering machine. This is very convenient to handle in the hand, right? So the next thing that I really want to let you know is that this is my setup. One more thing I just did an add-on is this fan so that it can exhaust all the fumes out. This is my Jugaru lamp. Okay, I just wanted to do some close lights, that's why I make it. Okay, this is a piece of tile that I am having here because this tile prevents me getting the heat like transferred to anyone, and it will not damage anything. So I prefer that you should also have the tile piece. Okay, although my this whole setup is very old and very professional and working for years, but I recommend you that at least you should have some light. You should have this soldering machine. I recommend this, and if you want, I can give you the link below in the comment, in the description or comment for this. And the fan is just mandatory. I am actually allergic to fumes and like smoke. That's why I'm having this. Okay, so let's try starting with some soldering. So this is the D1 Mini. My one of my students who asked me for a D1 Mini soldered because he is too young to solder. So that's why I am going to solder in front of you. So in D1 Mini, many people ask me like, you have lots of options here. Like even if you want to make it as a shield, you can use the longer one. These are the females. This is one again, the longer one, but this is are the females. But I prefer that to add into the breadboard, or I recommend that you should have this male jumper wires to be soldered. Okay, so I should tell you that this is the D1 Mini. Okay, this is IoT board. Most of my students who are not learning IoT, they are just in the starting phase of the robotics. Don't mind, you are going to use it very soon. So this is D1 Mini. This is a IoT board that is used for the internet connections. So this is the longer portion, this is the shorter portion. The shorter portion should go inside it. Don't mind, I am checking it in the camera and I am still connecting it, so it will be little difficult for me to make the connections. Let me do it. Okay, let me try to do it without camera. Okay, so this one goes well, this one also goes well. So I hope you can see that I have just added them like that, and I'm placing it such that it should be standing. Okay, let me zoom a little so that you can see it clearly. Oh, my place is really dirty, don't mind. This is like that. So all you do is that let me try to put my camera a little closer. That's little difficult for me to handle because I am not used to of camera stuff. I don't like selfies and stuff a lot. Okay, anyways, I think that's clear enough so that you can see this. और ज़्यादा ना हो पाई, please adjust. Okay, so this is a D1 Mini. I just did some like now. Okay, now I'm adding the flux is very important. You must be having a paste form of flux. I'm having this liquid kind of flux. This founds to be convenient for me, but for beginners I really really tell you that you should only like paste the soldering flux. That will be good for you. So I should tell you how this this fan will work. This is like, first of all, okay, the camera will take all the flux, all the fumes out. Okay, that's why we are having here, sorry, not camera, the fan. Sometimes you speak a lot in the video and you found yourself not correct. Okay, now let's start the soldering. First, if you are soldering this big board, I should tell you that you should start with the corner so that you make it stand. See, this is declining somewhere, so you have to keep it straight. Okay, this is a little tough for you for the first time. See, when you put the soldering iron, it exhausted all the fumes are taken away by the fan. Once you feel that the smoke is all gone, you should just touch a little. Okay, touch a little and stay there for a moment, and you will find it soldered. This is the one first pin that we did. Now I'm going to do the same with the last second pin. Okay, I don't know why I choose that randomly, but I prefer that we should do the soldering of this board, and put some little wire and stay there for a moment, and it's done. Okay, the same thing you should repeat with the other part. Okay, let me make it, okay, now this is standing. Okay, now heat the second one, and after heating this, you have to put the solder over there. The same thing, make sure you are soldering the last second wire, and with last second wire you have to put the solder. I was little in hurry because I was not able to see this. All I have to do is I have to check in the camera. Okay, please don't mind, my camera was shaking a little because of some my touch or something, so I really have to see in the camera, and I'm all dependent on it. Maybe my soldering won't be so finished, but I will show you the last end product. I have to like, all you have to do is, like, once you solder all the pins, like the corner pins, you will find that this is perfectly soldered. Now you can go and, like, you can proceed to solder all the pins. Then make sure that whenever you are soldering a board, the most important thing that you have to focus in that the pin should be straight enough that it should be holding all the support, all the, like, weight. So in that you have to first understand, like, which pin you have to solder at initial point. Okay, but one thing I should again tell you, that the soldering should be fine. The flux you added, okay, that should be all gone, so that the metal should be connected to the metal, and this is next to the welding. Okay, this is a kind of welding that we electronic people prefer. And make sure that none of the pins should be connecting to each other. See, all of the pins are connecting, like being soldered, but none of the pins are connected to each other. If you are doing that, you will end up spoiling your board. So please be careful over this. I wanted to make another workshop so that I can make you aware of the soldering process, but I found that the video can be more convenient for you. Meanwhile, in the class you can ask me about if you have any other question. If I conduct a workshop, in the workshop there will be many students, they will be raising their voices, some other issues, so it won't be that productive in sense of soldering. We will do some other machine building stuff, or special project building stuff while in workshop that we will conduct. So I am about to complete all of the soldering now. Just 3 more pins are left, and then I will show you my end product. The last one, I'm having little trouble to do it because, like, I can't put my head or too close to the board because I am having the phone in between me and the board soldering. So, but still I am using my best judgment. I should tell you about the the dangerous part about soldering, like welding, is like when you are welding it, you dealing with the highest voltage during the welding, and that time you just need to use your judgment, because you are not able to watch where your hand is going. This is how the welding found to be very tough for me during the college hours and during the other time when I used to take big projects like solar power plant and irrigation. So anyways, I have done doing this, like if you find it, like let me cool it. I'm cooling it, like I'm putting it behind the fan. I don't know if you can see this, but now it is cooled and this is ready to be used. Okay, if you might find some smoke or some leftovers are there, we need to really clean it. Okay, so for cleaning it I will be using this thinner. So if you can see this, let me do let me zoom out. So this is the liquid, this is the thinner. This is often you can use, you can borrow your mom or your sisters or your friends thinner part. Okay, that is a nail paint remover. You can use that, and you can use a small piece of paper cloth. It's a very big cloth. Okay, I can't show you the whole, but still you can see that after you will put the nail paint remover over there. I think I need a toothbrush. Hold on please. So I brought the toothbrush. Okay, so let's put the thinner again on the both sides. Fine. Brushing. Always remember to brush your teeth 2 times a day. Okay, sometimes one time also fine, but don't skip every day toothbrush. Okay, that's funny. Okay, that's dental care. Okay, so after a lot of efforts, a little efforts, not so much efforts, you will find the board is soldered. So this is perfectly soldered and ready to be shipped to my students. Okay, I hope. Oh, don't shake please. Yeah, stayed. Okay, just for 15 seconds, not more. Okay, I hope you find it useful for you. Okay, and if you find it useful, or if you find that you have any question, or even if you think that I am doing something wrong way, please do comment below and let me know. Okay, your one comment will be useful for me. I hope you liked this, you liked or and you learned something. Okay, see you in the next video for something better. Bye bye, take care.